A 5.2 earthquake just hit Jamaica. Let's talk about it. Hi guys, so I am on my way home and decided to stop for some food because I haven't eaten all day. Why am I heading home at 12:50? Because we had an earthquake in Jamaica, and because of that everybody is sent home, so the traffic on the road is terrible. But honestly, it was scary. I'm not gonna lie, it was terrifying. This literally has to be the first time where my life flashed before my eyes. It was a 5.2 on the Richter scale. Yes, thank you. This is the first time I've ever actually experienced such a anxiety-provoking earthquake, because I was on the final floor of my building and we were in a meeting. We were talking about next steps, and then all of a sudden you hear and I'm just like, earthquake. And then it just continued, and I think everybody kind of froze, and then we literally dived underneath the table. And we were just like, Jesus, peace. It was terrible. It was scary. And this has to be the first time my life has flashed before my eyes. I'm a bit shaken up. I'm happy that the damage was not so bad. It could have been so much worse, because I'm hearing like some person's buildings cracked. Some persons had to literally close down because of damage. So I'm pretty happy that we did not suffer that bad of damage, and we were able to just go home and continue work from home. Hey Jim. Hey. Hey. Heading to tennis. I'm so tired, but let's get to exercising.
plant an oak tree in the earth is going to disrupt the soil.
Like a guardian, you're watching over me through the depths of my own despair. I look up to the sky and I find my peace, I know. Starlight, won't you lead the way down this river? Keep me afloat, keep me afloat. If I ever drift away, won't you be there? Keep me afloat, keep me afloat.
Don't know how I can explain. 하루 종일 네 생각에 간절해 낯설어. 나 왜 이런 걸까? You're the cure to all my pains. 널 좋아하나 봐. 널 사랑하나 봐. 이제는 더 이상은 숨길 수 없잖아. 내일 더
Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows. Almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody has to let go of the egos? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could. If you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah, yeah. If you would show me, yeah, yeah. I spent so much time daydreaming.